Welcome to Flavortown Sub Edition. Hey there, food lovers! Today we're taking a delicious journey around the world to discover the best sub sandwiches you absolutely need to try. We're talking about those real deal, piled high, flavor-packed creations that'll have you loosening your belt a notch or two. Get ready to dive into a world of crusty bread, savory meats, melted cheese, and all the fixins that make these subs the ultimate comfort food. From the streets of Philly to the heart of Vietnam, we're tracking down the most iconic, mouth-watering subs that'll make your taste buds sing. So buckle up, grab a napkin or two, and get ready for a flavor explosion because we're about to embark on the ultimate sub sandwich adventure. First up, we're heading to the city of brotherly love, Philadelphia, where the cheesesteak reigns supreme. Imagine this, thin sliced ribeye steak, chopped up on the flat top, sizzling away with onions. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. Then, you gotta have that cheese, melty and gooey, oozing over the sides. We're talking provolone American, or maybe even some whiz if you're feeling adventurous. And don't forget the roll, baby. A classic Amoroso roll, crusty on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside, perfect for sopping up all those juices. Trust me, one bite of this iconic sub and you'll understand why Philly is so passionate about their cheesesteaks. It's a symphony of flavor and texture, a real gut buster that'll leave you totally satisfied. Next stop, we're cruising over to Italy, the land of pasta, pizza, and, you guessed it, the Italian hoagie. This ain't your average sandwich, folks. We're talking layers upon layers of flavor, starting with a crusty Italian roll, piled high with cured meats like salami, pepperoni, and ham. But it's not just about the meat. Oh no, we gotta have that tangy provolone cheese, crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and a sprinkle of onions for a little bite. And the secret weapon? A perfect blend of Italian spices and a drizzle of olive oil and vinegar to bring it all together. This ain't just a sandwich, it's a celebration of Italian flavors, a true masterpiece of culinary art that'll transport your taste buds straight to the streets of Rome. Chapter 3. Banh Mi, a taste of Vietnam in every bite. Now we're jet-setting over to Southeast Asia where the banh mi reigns supreme. This Vietnamese delight is all about fresh, vibrant flavors and textures that'll knock your socks off. Picture this. A crispy baguette, light and airy, spread with a touch of creamy pâté and aioli. Then comes the meat and you've got options, folks. Grilled pork, savory chicken, or maybe even some lemongrass tofu for our plant-based eaters. But it wouldn't be a banh mi without pickled carrots and daikon radish, adding a tangy crunch that'll wake up your taste buds. And to top it all off, a handful of fresh cilantro and a sprinkle of jalapenos for a touch of heat. Trust me, one bite of this flavorful explosion and you'll be hooked. Chapter 4. Doner Kebab, the king of Turkish street food. Alright, food fanatics, our next stop takes us to the bustling streets of Turkey, where the Doner Kebab reigns supreme. This ain't your ordinary street meat, folks. It's a flavor-packed powerhouse that'll have you craving more. Imagine this. Succulent, vertically roasted meat, shaved thin and piled high on a warm pita bread. We're talking lamb, chicken, beef, or a mix of all three. Seasoned to perfection and bursting with flavor. But hold on, we're just getting started. Next comes a mountain of fresh veggies. Crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, onions, and maybe even some tangy pickled cucumbers. And the piece de resistance? A drizzle of creamy yogurt sauce and a fiery chili sauce that'll set your taste buds on fire. It's a flavor combination that's out of this world. Chapter 5. Torta, a Mexican Fiesta in a bun. For our final stop, we're heading south of the border to Mexico, the land of tacos, burritos, and of course the mighty torta. This ain't your average sandwich, amigos. It's a full-blown flavor fiesta packed between two slices of crusty bread. We're talking your choice of fillings, from slow-cooked carnitas and spicy chorizo to juicy carne asada and tender barbacoa. But it doesn't stop there. Next up, we gotta load it up with all the goodies. Creamy avocado refried beans, tangy pickled jalapenos, fresh cilantro, and a drizzle of spicy salsa. Trust me, one bite of this flavor bomb and you'll be saying hola to your new favorite sandwich. It's a taste of Mexico that'll have you dancing the salsa all the way home. There you have it, folks. 5 incredible sub-sandwiches from around the world that you need to sink your teeth into. From the cheesy goodness of a Philly cheesesteak to the fresh, vibrant flavors of a Vietnamese banh mi, There's a sub out there for every taste bud. So next time you're looking for a flavor adventure, skip the ordinary, and grab yourself one of these international sensations. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Which one are you trying first? Let us know in the comments below.